In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Visual Edit in Base44. Easy guide, voici. First, open your selected Base44 project or application. You'll want to be on the page or screen where you plan to make visual changes so you can see exactly how your edits affect the layout. Think of this as your live canvas. Everything you interact with will reflect directly on the design you're viewing. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click Visual Edit. This opens the visual editing mode, which is designed to make changes feel intuitive. Instead of digging through code or complex settings, you'll work right on the page, selecting what you see and modifying it in place. For this demonstration, I'll click a specific element on the page and add an effect to it. As you hover, you should see outlines or highlights that help you target the exact part you want, whether it's a button, a heading, an image, or a container. Taking a moment to hover and confirm the correct element helps avoid accidental edits to a parent section or nearby item. With the element selected, choose Edit Element. This brings up the editing interface for that item. Depending on what you've selected, you might see fields, controls, or a prompt box where you can describe the change you want. The idea is to keep your focus on the element while giving you a straightforward way to apply updates. Next, type in the effect you want to add to the element. Be specific and clear so the system can interpret your intent. For example, you could describe a subtle drop shadow, a hover transition, a border radius, or a background change. That if your brand has standards, match the tone, spacing, or color naming you typically use to keep things consistent. Short, direct instructions usually produce the best results. After confirming your instruction, give the system a moment to process the change. You'll see a brief indicator while it applies the update. Once it finishes, check the element right on the canvas to make sure it looks and behaves as expected. If the effect feels too strong or not visible enough, refine your wording and try again with a clearer description or adjusted intensity. A helpful tip while you work: Visual Edit lets you manually select exactly which element you want to modify. This precision is great for fine-tuning without affecting other parts of the page. And that's the basic flow. Open your project, enter Visual Edit, select your element, choose Edit Element, describe the effect, and wait for the change to apply. With this approach, you can quickly polish your design and keep everything looking consistent and professional.